Hello guys, welcome to the next quick look. Today we're gonna look at Ladies Professional Shogi. This is a game between Oshima and Hasegawa in Ladies Meijin Eliminations. This game is particularly interesting because it will show the proverb of Shogi that playing a winning Shogi makes you lose friends. So how do we win Shogi without giving the opponent a chance? This game is quite an interesting example. In this position, Hasegawa took the 4-6 pawn, and first we have to look exactly at the evaluation. Bishop versus bishop, we have a little bit of pawn imbalance, but it is clear that Sente has a big dragon on the board, and this rook in comparison didn't achieve sabaki yet. So Sente is quite big here. Maybe one more piece that we don't know what's going to happen to is this knight, and a joker will be that bishop in hand. But it is quite clear that Sente has the advantage here, and Oshima will show us that few moves on, indeed, that advantage won't change hands. What is going to happen is the dragon will attack the rook. The gold is gonna protect. This is a very strong move, forcing you perhaps to exchange. But here, if we exchange the rooks, we give Gote a chance to sabaki their rook and attack. So that's not what we wanna do. We wanna lose friends today. So we're gonna pull the dragon back. Dragon is now attacking the knight. The gold will move back, and if we were to go here and back, again, Senjite, but no, we're losing friends today. So here we're gonna block that rook so that only our rook will be achieving sabaki, and we're trying to protect the knight. And here there is a small problem that if at any point this dragon were to take this knight, there will be a bishop drop pinning the dragon to the gold. So moving the gold is an interesting option, and here Oshima chose more aggressive option than moving the gold to the side, perhaps showing the option of taking this pawn. And a mistake was played by Hasegawa, pawn drop 3-1. And here from now on, Sente had clear advantage. And again, a very, we call it shibui move, a very calm and solid move from Oshima. Beautiful, cold to the bone. Dragon 3-8, ooh, giving the opponent no chance, just slowing everything down. Eliminating any possible bishop drops. Beautiful. So this is the point here. There was perhaps a possibility of bishop drop in this position, but 3-1 pawn drop eliminated that chance, and this dragon just defended it all. So of course we are not giving up. Bishop drop trying to do something. Pawn promotion, silver takes, and this is in order to open this bishop line. We take pieces. So first rule of keeping the advantage: do not give opponents chances to turn around the game by making a surprise move, surprise counter. So here this is what the dragon did. And then we're going for solid play, just pick up more pieces. And the strongest advantage you can have in Shogi, the most long-term advantage you can have, is the piece advantage. Yeah, eventually you will have more pieces and you're gonna prevail. So here we took the lance. The opponent is trying to do something. Now we're going for piece quality, yes? Silver versus lance. Again, if we have stronger pieces, we will have chance to get even more pieces and even more material advantage, giving us more solid game. And here, suddenly the bishop is dead. Yeah, even if it goes there, pawn push is going to happen. So we have to sacrifice it for the silver. And the horse, the third thing, piece activation. Yeah, your material advantage will mean nothing if your pieces are not activated. So slowly but surely this horse comes in to eat that knight. The game continued with pawn drop, and here Oshima counterattacked that king's head, slowly, making a very beautiful attack. If you're curious how this game continued, I recommend you check on Shogi Live. But I think we already learned the biggest lesson here, and that is, if you have a huge advantage, make sure you don't lose it easily, and then widen it by picking up some pieces and getting more piece quality, activating your pieces. Very, very beautiful, sharp game from Oshima. We have to thank her for giving us this lesson. So thank you all for watching today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.